Hey, before the video starts, we have merch. Check the link down below for any merch that you'd like. If you want to know what the heck this is, keep watching.
He's right behind me, isn't he? Peanut butter!
Oh yeah, I'll leave.
Get out of here. Welcome back to Shef Satt, the show where we have absolutely no idea what we're doing. Today is a peanut themed episode. We're super excited. We've got some pretty sweet concoctions made and ready for you today. Today, what I'm gonna be making for you is a peanut tofu satay. I'm super excited to try this. I've never cooked with tofu before, so this is gonna be super exciting for me, but it fits perfectly in line with our peanut theme. And probably the more delicious of the two, Elijah's gonna be making a Boozy peanut milkshake. We are both incredibly excited for these dishes and we're happy to present them to you, so. We got another.
Just take a sip.
Take a sip. Oh. Oh my goodness. That tastes like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy.
It's insane. Okay, so what this is just strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper with a little bit of screwball peanut butter whiskey. 3, 2, 1.
Let it, chef. Here's what you're gonna need for that. Peanut butter! Soy sauce, coconut milk, maple syrup, sesame oil, extra firm tofu, ginger, lime, black sesame seeds, garlic, cilantro, sriracha, scallions, crispy chili oil. We're starting a recipe out. First step, you're gonna wanna take some tofu. The recipe calls for extra firm or super firm. I'm going to try and surgically remove the rest of this packaging, because what the heck? You are a wet boy, Mr. Tofu. So basically what they recommend is just to cut this into bits. I'm gonna do one nice, ooh, oh, smooth. I'm gonna do four cuts into it. I'm actually gonna do one slice down the middle. Just for funsies. Now we have these perfect little tofu cubes. So excited to play around with these. I cut very unevenly, but I really don't care. So now that we've started working on the tofu, we're gonna move on to our sauce. Sauce is actually a pretty complicated recipe because there's a lot of ingredients, but they should all come together really nicely and be a good, it should be a good flavor that the tofu gets to soak in. First things first, what you're gonna wanna do, get your peanut butter. This is fresh, so I have to basically start from scratch. I'm gonna get peanut butter all over myself, and I'm kind of happy about it. Why is there peanut butter? It's so smooth right on the top, but then literally the plastic bits have peanut butter on them. How does that even happen? So first step, we're gonna, dang it, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. It's going all over the place.
If it isn't apparent, if you're allergic to peanut butter, don't watch this video.
Yeah, honestly, peanut allergy.
Don't even watch it. It'll come through the screen.
3 horrifically difficult scoops of peanut butter to get into a freaking bowl. Let's move on to the next step. Next ingredient is gonna be our lovely coconut milk. We need 2/3 of a cup of this. Unless this is just condensed. Ladies and gentlemen, watch 2 adults struggle with peanut coconut milk. Give it to me. God, that was so loud.
Do that, Boozy.
Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. Why don't you simmer down there, pal? Great, coconut milk and peanut butter. Jeez. So 2 tablespoons of maple syrup is up next. I have 100% pure maple syrup.
Oh.
2 tablespoons of sriracha.
Okay, good.
So 2 of sriracha, tablespoon of sesame oil. Sesame oil, such a fantastic ingredient to add. Honestly, to anything. It's actually gonna be 3 of soy sauce. 2. And 3. 2 tablespoons of grated garlic. Is any of this dropping into the thing? So next ingredient is gonna be our ginger. I'm just going to peel that real quick, get all that skin off of there, and then we're going to grate that as well. As if the nightmare didn't end with the garlic. it shall pick up right where we left off with the ginger. You know, snacking on the way here, I was having Taki seasoning sunflower seeds. I do like sesame seed or sunflower seeds a lot. The only thing is, like, what do you do? Do you swallow the sesame seeds or do you spit them out? Sunflower seeds, I mean, sorry.
The insides or the shell?
The whole seed. It's covered in dust. You pop it in your mouth, chew it. Do you swallow or do you spit out the...
You're supposed to crack it open, eat the seed inside, and spit the shell. I know you eat the shell.
Yeah, like, isn't that what you normally are supposed to do, though?
You don't eat the shell.
You don't eat the shell?
The shell's not supposed to be eaten, no.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I don't think there's any state laws.
All right, ginger step is done. Next is the juice from one lime. Thank you, Strainer Fairy. The Strainer Fairy has arrived, everybody, and he has delivered me my... Good Lord, are you all right? What the heck is inside of this? There's residue. Did this not get washed?
Perhaps not.
Okay. All right.
Sound like JoJo Siwa.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? My name is JoJo Siwa, and today I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna sing you a song.
Good Lord, you just make her sound like Salacious Crumb. Yeah, that's the one. Now I've got our mixture. I am gonna start mixing this. This needs to be turned into some form of a sauce. Now we've got this bowl of sauce. So excited. That looks and smells and tastes fantastic. And over some fried tofu is gonna be absolutely insane. We're gonna put on some rice. I'm not gonna go through a demonstration of that. It's super simple. And then that's what we're gonna top we're gonna put the tofu over it and then the sauce as well. So right now, we're just giving it a little bit of a sear. Once I start to see it brown up on one side, I'm gonna just move over and flip them all to the other side. They're looking pretty good. We're almost there. Just a few more seconds. Just letting some of those bigger pieces get cooked up. We wanna pour some of our sauce in there. Not all of it, but some of it, you know? Because we want our tofu to get nice and saturated in that sauce, that lovely peanut sauce that we've been mixing. Then we'll turn the heat back up to kind of roast that in. We want it to get all those flavors kind of put in there. To start seeing that sauce bubble, it's a good sign.
Mr. Peanut here to make a milkshake. I keep wanting to call it a smoothie. It's not a smoothie, it's a milkshake. Peanut butter! Vanilla ice cream, milk, peanut butter whiskey, whipped cream, chocolate syrup, dry roasted peanuts. I'm not much of a peanut butter guy. My father loves peanut butter. He'll put peanut butter in anything. He used to make peanut butter kale shakes.
I'm pretty sure liking peanut butter is a dad thing.
It's very much a dad thing. 1/4 cups of milk. This is a brand new thing of milk. 1/4 cup of milk. Oh, I'm making a mess already, jeez. French vanilla ice cream. I personally like French vanilla. 4 cups of ice cream. I don't even know if this thing can fit 4 cups. I've been thinking about this recently. When I was a kid, I used to go through like one of these, a cookies and cream Hannaford brand 1.5 quart of ice cream in like a week. The star of the show, Screwball peanut butter whiskey. So the recipe calls for 4 ounces. It's quite a lot. I'm gonna do 2. 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. We're gonna eye this. I'm gonna look at that and I'm gonna scoop an equal amount. That looks like a tablespoon. Ah, there we go. Whoa, that's some goopy stuff. Ew. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. 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 Whoa is correct. Excuse me.
You know what's funny? My mother, before I went into film, she was like, I have a recommendation for you guys. I'm like, what?
People be giving us recommendations left.
She's like, can you please try and keep the poop talk out of it? Not talking about poop, Mom. So much poop. We're talking about farts. It's different. It's different.
We're going to take this beloved mixture, break out the good old magic bullet, fire in the hole. I don't think that's thick enough.
Yeah, I think you need more ice cream.
I think you're right.
They said 4 cups for a reason.
They did say 4 cups for a reason. Ice cream.
So we're gonna show you a clip in a minute. It's one of our favorite characters, Roger, the challenged cat. So behold this clip. Ice cream.
So it says to line the top with peanut butter. We'll be a little nasty with it. Just go around the sides for the effect. Look at this.
Oh, that's good milkshake consistency.
So good. This is my favorite thing ever. Whipped cream. If I could down a bottle of whipped cream, I would. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. And there you have the Boozy peanut butter milkshake. My mouth is watering. We have our food ready. We have our milkshake ready. I think it's time to go to the first bite person. Like now, because I want this now. Man, this
Here we
looks
are.
fantastic.
Yeah, this actually, this came out looking better than I was expecting. I'm super excited to give this a shot.
Beautiful plating too.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was simmering and cooking and soaking in that flavor of the sauce, but if you drizzle a little extra on top at the end, just kind of brings out that flavor, makes it a little prettier.
Gets it into the rice too.
Exactly, yep. And then we added some black sesame seeds, we added some cilantro, green onions, we added, and then the crispy chili oil. That's what I'm really excited to see how that combines with this. So, without further ado, first bite of the night.
Excited. I gotta try and get everything in.
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
Wow. That's amazing. That peanut sauce is really coming through, but interesting enough, I can taste the ginger.
Oh yeah,
It's very close to like a sesame ginger dressing.
it's prominent in there, yeah.
But like it's got that creaminess with the coconut milk and the peanut butter. Man,
I love this.
Wow.
I'm gonna give this like 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 hats.
I'm gonna give this 10 out of 10.
Really? Yeah.
It's so well balanced. Everything, like the flavors are so perfectly balanced and just plain delicious. This is the first time, our first episode, that we are 95% sponsored by you guys. You helped us do this and couldn't thank you more. I've been waiting to say that and I couldn't wait to the end of the video, but like truly, thank you so much. If you want to continue to support the show, all the links are down below. But really, it's amazing. This is so good. God.
Yeah.
I want to go to town on this. But we're not done. We still have the milkshakes.
We still have the milkshake. We
Dessert.
got the whole dessert.
We got
part.
dessert. Oh no, it's hurt. There's been an injury today. He cut
Yeah,
his finger off.
I cut myself.
We got our delectable milkshakes. It's been here too long.
Yeah, but we're super excited. Oh my goodness, this looks absolutely insane.
This was so much fun to put together.
Yeah,
It was like so fast.
You went to town with that, so the presentation is phenomenal. I'm so excited for the final product. So
Let's
let's
go.
get into this.
I'm not. I said this before. I'm not much of a peanut butter guy, but man, this whole episode's changing my view on peanuts.
Yeah, man.
It's just good.
Peanut butter, obviously very strong. Don't taste the chocolate a ton, but
Yeah.
what I will say is that booze does come through.
It does. I'm gonna give this a 7, personally, but it's delicious nonetheless.
Me personally, I'm gonna go 8. I'm gonna go 8 out of 10 hats.
I gotta be honest. This has been one of my favorite episodes.
Oh, it's been so fun.
It's so actually
And
like
successful.
fun and successful.
Yeah, like genuinely, like first try on making these, which are also kind of like out of the norm foods. Like,
Yeah.
first time trying tofu for me, and probably first time making like a legit
A
milkshake.
legit milkshake. Yeah, the first time I've done that.
Honestly, I think what this has taught me is that peanuts are incredibly underrated.
They
At
are.
least they have been in my palate.
Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you hanging out and coming on our little peanut journey here. It's been a great time. Make sure you follow us on all our socials. Links are down below to support us if you'd like. And if you want to get any merch down below, the links are there too. Thank you so much for watching once again. Make sure you, I'm looping it. We love you.
We love you.
You guys are the best. So without further ado, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Mutella.
What's the word?